Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create a Payoneer account from Pakistan in 2025. Payoneer is a global payment platform to receive money from clients worldwide. Here's what you'll need: a valid CNIC or passport, a Pakistani bank account, an email, and a phone number. Let's head over to www.payoneer.com and click Sign Up. Choose your account type, individual or business. Enter your full name, email, date of birth, and Pakistan address that matches ID. After submission, Payoneer will review your details. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for approval. And that's it! Your Payoneer account is ready to receive payments in Pakistan. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with others. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone.